again, Divas. I'm so glad you can join me as I unwrap The Joys of Summer by Abraham Hunter. He's one of my favorite landscape painters, and I hope he's one of yours as well. This is a Diamond Art Club kit, and it is a round. So those of you who love rounds will love this one for sure. I'm peeling off the extra plastic protective covering that is shrink wrapped around each and every kit to prevent any moisture from getting in. And you will see on the back, you will see on how to diamond paint if you've never done that before. You will also get a scan me code at the bottom for 10% off of your next kit. But if you've never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, perhaps you'll consider clicking on the link down in my description box for 15% off your very first Diamond Art Club kit, my affiliate link. And let me shake the rest of the goodies out here. Come on. There we go. Here we go. You get a small inventory type of sticker that you can put on. I put them on inventory sheets so I know what I have yet to work on. And explanations of my inventory sheets and what they do, how I work on them, are in my playlists. These are the things you get in a basic kit on one of the newer kits. There's still some old ones floating around out there, so if you get a little bit different kit, don't worry. There's still everything in it that you need to do your kit. This comes with a clear tray and with a stopper that you can pull out so that you can put the diamonds back in the bags or containers that you have them in. You get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7 multi-placer. You get a random colored diamond point painting pen and squishy. You get a heart of wax. And you get a bag of baggies. And in the kits that are packaged in this type of bag, you get 2 special items. One is a cover minder, which holds the plastic, holds a magnet on the back, and you pinch the plastic in between so that you can keep the plastic cover off of your work. Isn't that cute? A little kitty. Such an adorable little thing. And you get some washi tape to help keep the sides of your painting clean and free from debris. I also use these in my planners and my documenting my life. And you can use this to separate the sections of the canvas too, on the cover, plastic cover. I always like bend this back a little bit so I can start it easily the next time. And if you're interested in planners or documenting your life in any way, see the playlists below. I'll try to link the playlist below in the description box. Alright, now let's dig into the canvas. Again, it's protected by a plastic sleeve. Okay. Oh man, see it already. I'm going to roll this the opposite way so that it lays flat for you. So that it lays flat for you. This canvas is 22 by 28 inches, which is 56 by 71 centimeters wide. And the artist is Abraham Hunter, and it's called Joys of Summer. Before I show you the canvas, let me show you that you have a pamphlet with instructions in it. You have 20% off of the Diamond Art Club app. You have a thank you note, and you have tips, tricks, and how-tos on the inside. This is the large sticker of what the painting will look like. Gives you some inventory information and where you can put a start and end date. It also gives you stickers to kit up Right now this is 55 colors, and the first 1, 2, 3, 4 are going to be Aurora Borealis, the special drills that have the super shine on them. And they are individual stickers that you can put on the plastic bags or containers in which you put your drills. All right, let's open up this canvas and give you a little tour. As far as the canvas goes, it's a soft-backed, stiff canvas. You get a thumbnail at the bottom. You get all the deets down here. You get the social media information and another take 10% off. And you get the on the other side, you get the guarantee for the drills and the canvas. And let me show you up close and personal that rounds do not have the guide circles on them, but you can see very clearly, even in the dark areas, that you can see very clearly the designation of what drills to put in what place. It's a super sticky canvas, and it has a pinked and poked edge so that it does not fray. Let me see if I can show you flat out. First, the bottom of the canvas, in which you see different flowers. These look like bachelor buttons, and these look like hollyhocks coming up here. I could be wrong about the type of plant, but look at the colors. The blue purples and the reds and pinks. All the depth of the greens at the bottom. And look, there's a hummingbird. You see the hummingbird? I'm going to pull this up a bit. You have 2 hummingbirds on this one. 3, I'm sorry, you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 hummingbirds on this one. You have blues, lighter blues in the sky. And the red flowers come right up the center and point you right to all these beautiful hummingbirds. So let's take a look at the drills and see where the shiny drills are going to go. Why don't I put you sideways so that you can see more of the painting in one shot this way. How's that? You can see much more of the painting in one shot this way. Okay. The drills come with the inventory number and the name of the kit on top of them, in case they get separated from the canvas. I like to put this big sticker in the bottom of the drill pack, so in case they get separated, I have a visual clue as to what's in it. So let me see if I can... Oh, there's an AB right now. There's 2 of the ABs right now. Let me cut them apart here. First you have that one. There's a color here. Purpley mauve. There's 2 of the ABs right next to each other. We'll see them in a moment. Let me see if I can pick out the other ones. Yep, there's one. Okay. There's some more of the colors here. Can you get the numbers on it? Is that bothering you? I'll move it out of the way. How about it? Yep, none of those are the ABs. Was I showing you the numbers upside down? That's goofy. Here, let's try this again. There you go. Alright, where are the other AB? There's the other AB. I say there are 4 or 5 in this kit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Another color. I love Abraham Hunter's paintings. So that you can see. Let me move that out of the way since I don't need it anymore. You can see more of the colors, the vivid colors that are going to be in it. The selection of colors that he puts together are just awesome. He really takes a lot of care in choosing the colors for his paintings and making the most striking contrasts between them. He uses muted shades, striking shades of muted colors. No, he doesn't use muted, never mind. Just the striking shades of colors. And the way he combines those colors, too, in the painting are striking. He's another artist I would like to have on my site sometime to interview. I hope to be doing interviews soon. I'm trying to get used to the software a little bit, so I don't make a fool of myself when I have somebody up on there. As diamond painters, I want to have some of you on my site as well to interview. So if you want to post what you've done up on my Wanda's Workbasket Facebook group, I would love to have you join the Facebook group to show me what you've already done. And maybe when I start doing interviews of diamond painters, you might be one of them. I'm going to roll this back up and put it back in the container here. Okay, get in here. See how nicely that identifies the drill bag then? Alright, so here are the colors here. Okay, the first one is a green. It's a 108. 108 green. Where will I find the number ones on here? Of course. I find them in the hummingbirds for sure. Absolutely in the hummingbirds. I would imagine that they're mostly shiny. I do see a few ones scattered here and there, and with the greens in here. Not many though. They're mostly all in there. Number 2 is like an off-white AB. Has a slight greenish tint to it. Where will they go? They're in the flowers. They're in this one particular type of flower, in the bachelor buttons, in the stripy things of the bachelor buttons. Beautiful. So it's going to bring your eye around the canvas, up and around the bottom of the canvas. And the other one will point out the shiny things. Here is a number 3, and it's a yellow. And they are in the leaves of this one that go up. So 3s bring your eye up and down this main center of the canvas, and there's some a little bit off to the side to keep your eye flowing around the canvas. The next one is orange. Number 4s are orange, and they are going to be, in the very center of the reds. So again, it keeps your eye moving right around the canvas the way it's supposed to be moving. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Another stunning canvas by Abraham Hunter. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that other diamond painters can find more paintings that they'd like to do, and can get a discount for Diamond Art Club, and just share in the family atmosphere of the Workbasket, and also so that they can share the tips and tricks with y'all. So, just you can even enjoy the joy of summer in the wintertime, and while you're doing this kit in the middle of the winter. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, Diamond Divas, I will see you the next time. Don't forget Tuesday Night Lives, and at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday nights, 10 to 12. And I'll see you there. Bye, Divas.